like them. It sucks me out and think like them.
Hi guys, hey, I'm here and I'm going to do this real fast. This is just the ice cream bag. I've already done the box this month, and this is going to be my last one because this is $12.50 plus I think it's $3.50 shipping. You get 3 to 5 full-size items, and don't get me wrong, it's a good deal. But I'm going to continue with the box, but it just accumulates so much around. But you get 3 to 5 full-size items with this, and you're guaranteed 1 pallet. So, let's see. I think I'm missing something because it looks like there's 4 things on this, and I only saw 3. Yeah, I'm missing something. What am I missing? So, who knows? We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Okay, the first thing you're getting is this liquid glitter eyeshadow, and it looks like this, and it's monochrome, and it's $5. It's a $5 value. I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know if you can or not. Here, let me try it somewhere else. And it doesn't show up there either. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's kind of, that's eyeshadow, but it's kind of like a violet, but it kind of disappears. You know, it reflects in certain lights, and other lights it just totally disappears. So, do with that what you will. This month's box was really good too. So there's that. And the value of that was $5. Well, what do you want for $5, I reckon? And then this is gel liner for lips and eyes. Yeah, okay. And here's that color. And it's, let's see. But it's for lips and for eyes. So, there's that. Sorry about that, my friend came. So anyway, this was the liner. I wiped it off. So there's that. And I did find the lip. This was $21, and it's from Appeal. And this is Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Lipstick, and it's $21. It's pretty. But let's see if I can get this plastic off. They just do this to mess with me because they know I can't get the plastic off. Okay, so let's see if I can see where the label is on it. Okay, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's Appeal Cosmetics. This is a really cute little lipstick. And this is the color. And I'll put that next to the, there's a really good match. That's the lipstick, and it's fancy. We like fancy. We like fancy around here. And that was $21. And oh, by the way, you get one of these in every bag also. And then our palette this time is from Amuse Cosmetics. It's I Think I'm in Love palette. And they're doing that EYE. And they always do pack their stuff well. And that's what that looks like. And it has plastic on it. Of course, my nemesis. They just pack this stuff like this. Just see if I can get it open. And usually the answer is, oh, that's nice. It's like a silicone type thing. But it's cute. Then we open it here. And it has a little mirror in the top. which I'm going to try to cover with my hand. And those are all the colors. And there's lots of glosses. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers. I just love copper eyeshadow. I just love it. Because it's just a hint, you know, and then when you turn a certain way, then it really shows up. I like that. It seems very creamy, too. It's, you know, there's that red. But anyhow, for that amount of money, you can't complain. And there's a cover on this mirror. And I can't get it off. Of course I can't. Yeah, there's a little cover on the mirror for you to take off, as you can see. But anyway, not bad for, what, about 16 bucks delivered for all that? Not bad. You got your lipstick and your liner, and that can be used on your eyes or your lips, it says. Then you got your eyeshadow, and you can kind of see that a little bit better in the bottle, actually. And I mean, it's just, and then you got this, so for 16 bucks, it's still a good deal. But like I said, I was just piling up makeup and things, and I just wanted to just hold off on it. Anyhow, come on back, join us. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.